Hi all, this is Chirag from Tamilnadu Advanced Technical Training Institute. Welcome to the introductory class of audio engineering. Now what is audio engineering? Everyone would be thinking that it is not a piece of cake that I can learn it so easily. Now I will just give you a small understanding as to what is audio engineering. Audio engineering is all about understanding the concept and techniques of sound and executing it in a proper output, digitally or electronically. You must be wondering that I am not a musician and I don't know even small things about the sound. Now it is not a mandate to be a musician to become an audio engineer basically. Now what actually is required to become an audio engineer is first your interest, second your 100% focus and dedication. Rest you leave it to this class, is going to teach you completely and you will become a renowned audio engineer. That we would definitely take care. Now, to be precise, in audio engineering, basics are very simple. You need to understand the concept of the sound which is required in whichever locations there you're going to play. Like for example, if you're in a nightclub, the sound would be loud. They will have the technos, this, that, etc. Or if you go to a church, what kind of sound is required? You need melody. Or if you are in a concert hall, you will find symphony going ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Now, this is what you need to understand. The basics is very simple. You need to know what you're going to do and how you're going to do. And the rest, the class is going to teach you how to edit the things and bring it in the right output that is required. One thing you must understand is that audio and sound is not music. Music is a variation of sound produced, which we will see in the later stage of the program. There are a few key factors required to learn in audio engineering: sound ambience, then equipments, sound types, recording, mixing, digital audio workstations, mastering and output. So this is what is going to make you a complete sound engineer. To give a generic overview about sound ambience, it is about the environment needed to produce the sound. In simple language, what we call the recording studios, etc. And now to come on the sound equipments. If you see in the inception of sound engineering, the equipments used to be extremely massive, big in size, and that used to give them a quality output. Now with the advancement of the technology, it is completely shrunk the equipment that it is more handy and mobile. Now this also gives you much detailed output and also with much better quality. So this sound engineering always has a connect to the history, but it is with the improvised technology and much better output. On the sound types, our world has diversified cultures. All the cultures have different interest of hearing. Sounds are classified as per the need of the culture. Like for example, let me portray. In nightclubs, having musics like EDMs, techno, these are used to have the heavy effect. In posh cultures, they used to hear the combination of acoustic instruments in the form of classical. So what I shared are a few of the examples of sound types. Now, other than that, if you see in movies, different sounds are recorded in different ambience to get the digestic feel. So what do I mean by that is, the music or whatever is recorded there, you should actually feel that in the movie. Like for example, if you are in the traffic, there should be noise of horn, or somebody honking behind you, or the traffic, and that will make you feel within the movie. So those are the things that needs to be taken into consideration when you are doing or understanding with regard to the sound types. Now, on recording, this is the key for sound engineering. The sound that gets input is known as recording. Every instrument has its own way of sound output, which will be inputted in different recording equipments. For example, microphone. Microphone is one equipment which is usually used in recording. But what we think that it's just a microphone. Actually, microphone is again classified into different types. Other than that, there are a lot more things that you will learn which is going to be in detail. On the mixing, once the sound are recorded, it has to be combined as per the need of the output. This is actually what we call as mixing. It features many technologies like adjusting the volume, equalizing the sound, tempo, adding effects and so on with respect to the desired output of the sound that we expect. Now about the digital audio workstation. This is the latest trend or technology what is used for audio engineering. As the name states, it is the workstation for sound to enable digitally. This is the major subject in recent technology of sound engineering. It deals with software applications and electronic media like computer, iPads, your digital synthesizers and so on. There are plenty of applications that are getting developed, upgraded every now and then. Digital audio workstation will be the whole content of audio engineering, which is going to make you a complete sound engineer. Mastering and output, the last subject of the syllabus that I stated before. Now what is this is, every product needs to come out with the desired outcome. So that outcome has to be tested. So there is a sound testing that is done and all this thing, editing is finished, and then you get the desired result. So this is what happens in this final stage. So now you have done the hard work. So to get the pay for the hard work is what we call mastering the output. So hope you have got a good understanding about audio engineering. Now if you are keen to become an audio engineer, subscribe now.